Hello, my name is Russell Vogel, and I purchased a 24 by 30 foot carport. So I purchased this property a few years ago with the intent of raising some cattle and maybe doing some hunting. My dad and I got together and thought it'd be a good idea to put a building on the property to store farm equipment, to store hunting supplies, and not haul it back and forth from Houston. Really appreciate him doing that and look forward to using the building. So I used the interactive designer on the Allen's website, and it was really convenient to use and simple. In fact, it didn't force me or require me to save all the details and ask for feedback from the company. I was able to utilize it myself and do it simply and easily. So they came out on site in less than a day. They had the building constructed and did a really professional job, and I'm really impressed. The people involved with the ordering process were very professional. They handled my farm exemption without any questions and just made everything real simple. So I would definitely recommend Allen's Factory Outlet for anybody building a building on their property or similar construction.